boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. My friends, I have the window open and I'm enjoying some of this beautiful sun that we have here. It's cold outside, so it's good to be inside and just look at the rain and all that good stuff. I'm enjoying the sun. I hope it's nice and sunny and warm where you are, my friends. I want to wish you a happy holiday season, my friends. You know, The Scoop is for your entertainment, your education, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write these books, my friends. I put it in black and white for you so you can either read it, hear it, listen to it with the audiobooks. You can go to Amazon. You can go to any bookstore. You can get these books. I'll go through them real quick. Books like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks. I have a strategy in there that you can use in any market for the rest of your life. How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club, my friends. I have some great ETFs in there right now. ETFs are showing a little bit of value right now, my friends. Marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. We expect vanadium and uranium to do something. So companies that you can get into early, hold, and grow rich, my friends. They're all listed in here. This is a mini book, but it is something that will be great for your library. Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments is out there, my friends. Any of these books, you can go to your local library. You can say, librarian, can you please order these books for me by Mickey D? And they'll order them for you free. Also, the audiobooks, my friends. Investing in Medical and Recreational Cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. You guys know I can't advertise in America, so I have these books. The audiobooks are free all of December. So just hit me in the comments, Mickey D. I'll leave links for you also. Just hit me in the comments. Hey, I don't have the audiobook of this one. Listen to the audiobook, take notes, get those stocks. So we're all in 2020. We're all on the same page, my friends. Largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world is out there. What's going on over in Israel right now, my friends? I did send out an alert to a few people about OWCP, a little Israeli company that went from like pennies up to $3. It was 2017 for us. It may or may not repeat that, my friends. We don't know, but they did get some good news about a patent, and that you can follow up on that. That's OWCP. The African Marijuana Gold Mine, Richmond also makes Wall Street, is out there, my friends. And investing at any age, start early or catch a mega trend is out there. Those are primarily, like I said, you can get any of these books, my friends, on Amazon.com. Get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. You can get the series, series that's out there with 3 of the books, and then I've got the land series out there, and I've got the cannabis education series, marijuana education series out there, where you can get 3 books together, and you'll get Amazon's doing all these advertisements and stuff. They're doing a lot of stuff, and 2020, my friends, we hope to bring you a lot more, and I hope to bring you some income opportunities. You know, I always stress to my my children, it's about multiple streams of income. So you'll be able to take advantage. You and your family take advantage. You want to take these trips, and originally that was what The Scoop was all about: getting that extra money to take these trips and do things. I can tell you, my friends, as you guys know, 2019 has been a rough year. It's been a bear market all the way in the marijuana stocks. We do anticipate, though, some changes in 2020. It can only get better, right? Only get better. 2017, those days aren't coming back again. 2018, phenomenal years, my friends, in this business. And then 2019, we come with the bear of all bears in this market. But we are still looking at some companies. We anticipate IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. We got it as a teenager, and it went. Talked about it as a teenager, 17, 18, 19. It went way up for us. Also, companies in here. Aurora, we got 38 cents. So you read this one here, and you'll understand. Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. You understand some of the stocks we got in real early, and we did our thing. But we expect Innovative Industrial Properties. We expect some of these Canopy, Afria. We expect them to do all right coming up year. We expect GW Pharma to do well. Some of these bigger companies, we really think they'll do well. I'd like to see. This is just me personally. I'd like to see 2018. I believe it was 2018 September, where Aurora did a spinoff, and a lot of managers, and a lot of people in these companies listen to what I'm saying. So listen to this closely, my friends. Aurora. Remember when you did the Australis spinoff, AUSAF? See, a lot of people don't know that company. We got that company free. Us in America, we got a big check because we owned Aurora. You in Canada and other parts of the world, you actually got the stock, and it was sometimes illegal or something. It's a new industry, so you're working on that. Also, you guys remember right now, Future Farm Technologies in the dumper, But if you can recall, one of its spin-off companies that we got free, Next Tech was almost $2, my friends, here just recently, a while back. About $1.49 or so now. NEXCF. Let's not forget some of these spin-offs and these spin-outs of some of these companies. I think we're going to see more of that, my friends, in 2020. As these companies position themselves and look for money this way and that way, that's a good way of them getting some money, But like I said, our bread and butter, IPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, sooner or later, 60, 65, I think is a good spot. Maybe we might look at getting back in there if it gets down that low. It's being stubborn right now, 70, 72, 73, being stubborn. Planet 13, where it is right now, we think it's going to have its day. GW Pharma, it's going to have its day. All of those will be in play in 2020, my friends, and we hope to have that information for you. But that's not what I really want to talk to you about today. The title. I want to title this Marijuana and Technology, Companies and Technology. Now, Future Farms was a good example of how they spin off Next Tech, technology company pretty much. And the reason I want to talk to you a little bit about technology is because MJ BizCon, I was telling some friends about this, and I remember hitting some of the other guys. I was telling them there's a lot going on with technology right now merging with the marijuana companies. And this is a big thing. They'll be talking about it next year, after, and so they'll be talking about it for years to come. But see, what we do, my friends, is we're your eyes and ears. We're going to be going to CES this year, the Consumer Electronics Show, the International 2020 CES, beginning second week of January. And, it's the global stage for innovation. And all these companies want to really be number one. They want to be innovative. They want to really do what they can do, my friends. And we'll be right there on the cutting edge. I can remember years ago, guys telling me, I've told you the story, James Dines, Doug Casey, those guys telling me about something. Hey, this thing is going to revolutionize communication. Communication is never going to be the same. You need to get in this AOL and this Cisco and all this. This internet thing is going to be big. Well, it turns out the internet was pretty big. Yeah, I'm dinosaur, guys. I'm pre internet days. So yes. More currently, I was at a CES show. This was a few years back, years ago. Guys were, guys I was with some of my staff. These things will never make it. Good. Look at that. Good. Look at that. Who wants that? It has a little. They even look stupid. Well, those were flat screen TVs. How many flat screen TVs do you have in your house now? On the cutting edge, my friends. The scoop is ahead of the herd, my friends. We're ahead of the pack there. This year, we'll see what's at CES. We'll see how it relates to the technology, relates to the marijuana industry. And we'll put the two together, my friends. And then I'll be your eyes and ears. I'll get back to you, and we'll share ideas together. And we'll know exactly what direction this thing will be going in, my friends. And that's That's what it's all about. We get it early. We get in early, these companies. We take advantage of some of these major mega trends early, and we stay ahead. And it's no shame in our game, my friends. We get in super duper early, and we wait. We have patience, just like with the marijuana stocks, just like with the uranium stocks right now. Sure, we're in a little early, but sometimes in this business, it's better to be early than to be a little late, my friends. And that's the way it goes here. With that said, I'm going to have a special for you. Our Veterans Day, we did go out on Veterans Day and a Veterans Day celebration, and I haven't had a chance to really mix that in. And I figure now this holiday season, our vets are overseas, and a lot of them are, men and women in uniform are really doing what they have to do, my friends. They serve this country. They are the reason we have freedom, my friends, and that we'd like to do a little special for them and give them an idea of how we appreciate them and what we're over here doing and celebrating them with songs and music and shows and car shows and eating and enjoying fellowship with our fellow brothers and sisters that have been in uniform and that continue to be in uniform today. So if that's you or anyone in your family, my friends, definitely you want to see that Veterans Day special that we'll have here in a couple days as we celebrate those men in uniform all over the world. That's it. You have a great holiday season, my friends. God bless you and your family. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. I want to thank you all this year. We started this year, I think we had less than 1,000 people, and now we're growing little by little by little, my friends. We're growing. If the scoop helps one person, to me, that's great, my friends. But that with that said, you guys have a great day and enjoy you and your family. God bless you. Take care. Look for the next video coming up right now.